In this video, we're acting on behalf of the transferee who has received a text informing him that there is a transfer pending for him to accept. The transfer is by way of lease of entitlements. We're logged in as the agent here. I'm going to type in my client number and click search. Client is displayed. Then click the View menu to bring you to their home screen. From the client home screen, you select Applications at the top of the screen, the drop-down Transfer of Entitlement Applications. Here we can see a summary of all existing transfers that your client has engaged in to date. So far we can see that transfer out applications, there are 2. And we can see the status of those transfers out, and we can select options to view, edit or delete depending on the status of the transfer. We can see that there's 1 transfer into this client and it's waiting acceptance by the transferee. In order to accept the transfer, we need to have received the transfer key from the transferor. You may have received this by text or email or over the phone. Once you have the transfer key, you can click on the View. You must enter the transfer key here. And please note it must be correct. If it's not correct, you will not be able to accept the transfer. Click View Transfer Application. The details of the transfer by way of lease of entitlements is displayed: the transferor, the transferee, the number of entitlements that are being leased to your client, the value of each entitlement and the total value. If there's any supporting documentation required, you can click Upload to upload it here. Please note that any supporting documentation must be in PDF format. If the transfer is incorrect, you can choose to return the transfer to the transferor at this stage. If you're happy to accept the transfer, you can click on Accept Transfer. The terms and conditions can be accessed from here, and you must read and be sure that you understand. If you do, you can click the checkbox here and you are now bound by those terms and conditions. And click Accept Transfer. You have now accepted the transfer and it has been submitted to the department for processing. Please note that the transfer at this stage is not applied, and it will not be so until the department has processed it.